School activities, curricular and co-curricular activities pay 1 for Odisha B.Ed and Education Honours. School activities, curricular and co-curricular activities. Components, mode of transaction and organization. Introduction. School is not just a place for classroom teaching. It is a place where children develop their knowledge, skills, personality, values, and creativity. This happens through two types of activities: curricular activities, academic activities; co-curricular activities, supportive and extra activities. Both are equally important for the holistic development of students. Curricular activities are meaning and components. Curricular activities are those that are directly related to subjects taught in the classroom. Examples of curricular activities: teaching of subjects like science, math, history, languages; practicals in labs; assignments and homework; class tests and exams; debates and discussions based on subjects; project work based on syllabus. Indian context. In schools affiliated with CBSE ICSE state boards, the NCERT SCERT textbooks form the core of curricular activities. Co-curricular activities are meaning and components. Co-curricular activities are those which support academic learning but also focus on emotional, physical, and social development. Examples of co-curricular activities: art, music, dance, and drama; games and sports; debate, quiz, essay, elocution; gardening, yoga, scouts and guides; celebrating national festivals; community service and school clubs. Indian concept. Gandhiji's Nai Talim focused on craft-based, work-oriented education, now considered a co-curricular approach. NEP 2020 promotes art-integrated and sport-integrated learning as part of curriculum. Mode of transaction, how these activities are conducted. Activity type, mode of transaction. Curricular, classroom teaching. Use of chalkboard, textbooks, smart boards. Explanation, questioning, assignments, vertical bar. Co-curricular, competitions, clubs, celebrations. Field trips, exhibitions. Peer learning and teamwork, vertical bar. Indian practice. In Kendriya Vidyalayas and Navodaya schools, regular morning assemblies, yoga, singing, and group activities are part of co-curricular routine. Organization of activities. Organizing school activities needs planning, resources, and cooperation among teachers, students, and school administration. Steps in organizing activities. Planning, decide the aim, type of activity, time, and budget. Formation of committees, teachers and student leaders are assigned duties. Execution, conduct the event as per the plan. Assessment and feedback, reflection on what was learned and how it can improve. Indian concept. During Annual Day, Independence Day, and Republic Day, schools organize cultural programs to teach patriotism and teamwork. Bal Sabha and housewives competitions are common in Indian schools. Importance of school activities. Aspect role of activities. Mental development through subject teaching and academic tasks. Physical development, sports, yoga, physical education. Emotional growth, music, drama, storytelling. Social skills, group work, field trips, clubs. Moral values, celebrating festivals, talks on values. NEP 2020 says that every child must be given opportunities in arts, sports, life skills, not just academics. Holistic report cards will reflect all types of learning. Conclusion. Both curricular and co-curricular activities are two wheels of the same vehicle. For a child to become a confident, responsible, and skilled citizen, the school must organize both types of activities effectively. In the Indian education system, the shift from rote learning to activity based, child centered learning makes these activities even more important. Education is not preparation for life, education is life itself. John Dewey.